Let me guess. You just spent 2 hours watching videos on how to make money online, only to find out the app doesn't work in Nigeria or it requires a PayPal account for you to cash out your earnings. That's frustrating, right? Yes, I can relate because I've been there. So I went looking for something different. Real platforms that actually accept Nigerians based in dollar but send you your money directly to your local bank account without the usual headaches. No paper needed, no confusion, just work, get paid and withdraw your money. And to them share 5 of them. So you need to stick around, watch this video to the end because app number 4 is perfect for every beginner that is trying to make money online. And if you watch this video to the end, I will also teach you how to create a working Payoneer account, which will give you a foreign bank account to receive all your online money. Hi lovelies, if you're new here, I'm Peculiar and this channel is all about making money, how to help Nigerians have more source of income without any delay. Now press that subscribe button, let's get started. App number 1 is Hamzry. It is a marketplace built for Nigerians. If you've ever tried Fiverr and you didn't meet up with its requirements, you know the struggle out there now. You're buried under thousands of international freelancers with over 500 reviews already. So the competition is very high and you have to receive your money through PayPal, which you don't even have. So Handling solves that problem. It is a freelancer built for Nigerians and by Nigerians. What do they do? Handling connect Nigerian freelancers directly to clients. You offer your service like writing, graphic design, AI services, or virtual assistants, and clients find you. You perform your task and you get paid. How does it work? Go to Hamzry website, sign up for free, create your profile, list your skills and your experience, upload your work examples, start offering your services similar to every other freelance platform. When a client hires you, Hamzry holds the payment in escrow. This simply means the money is kept safe until your client confirms that he has received his work. Once that client approves that, your money will be transferred directly to your local bank account and you withdraw it. No dollar card, no PayPal needed. Just perform your task and get paid. What can you earn from this app? Your income here depends solely on your skills. That's the honest truth. As a beginner, you might be earning 30,000 to 60,000 naira per month performing simple jobs that won't take you up to an hour. Now, start with smaller gigs. As you grow and get reviews, you will start charging higher. App number 2 is Naira Gigs. It is backed by the Nigerian government. This isn't some random startups, no. It is the official freelance platform of the Nigerian Youth Academy, launched by the Federal Ministry of Youth Development and backed by the Nigerian government. So it is very, very solid and aim to help youth increase their source of income. NigerGate is a national platform that connects Nigerian youth with both local and international remote jobs. It allows you to offer services to clients around all the whole world and you receive your payment directly to your local bank accounts. Now, go and sign up for free at gigs.naija.government.ng or download the app from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Complete your profile. The more complete and unique your profile is, the better chances of you getting hired. Browse available gigs posted by businesses and industries. Then accept the one you are sure you can handle. Once you are hired, you complete the work and your payment is processed by the platform so you get your money directly to your local bank account, no matter the type of accounts you have. What you are expected to earn. As of February 2026, over 40,000 Nigerian youths were already registered on this platform and the government aims to create over 100,000 jobs for Nigerians in the coming years. This platform is still growing, so now is a perfect time to join before it becomes overcrowded. Now, app number three is Upwork, the global giant accessible with the right tool. This Upwork, I'm very sure you know about it or you've heard about it, is very, very unique for freelancers. But here is what most people don't tell you. Upwork itself works perfectly well in Nigeria. The only problem was receiving your money because of PayPal limitation. But there is a solution to that. Yes, I have a solution for you. Upwork being the largest freelance marketplace, businesses from all over the world post jobs and freelancers take up those jobs and deliver. You can find work such as writing, graphic design, programming, virtual assistants, data entry jobs, and hundreds of other category jobs you can fit in and you can carry out with the help of AI. So go to Upwork, sign up for a freelancer account, complete your profile, add your professional profile photo, write a strong bio and list your skills and experience. Start browsing jobs and submit your proposal to clients. When you get hired, you get your work done and submit to your clients and you will get paid. Now, here is the key. Do not go for PayPal as your means of cashing out. No. Connect your Payoneer account to Upwork because Payoneer gives you a foreign bank account. From your Payoneer account, you can now transfer your dollar earnings directly to your local Nigerian bank account, which means you will also earn higher because you know the dollar difference from naira. What are you expected to earn from this Upwork platform? As a beginner, you're sure of $100 to $300 per month. Now, if you are a skillful freelancer, you are apt at getting over $100, $1,000 per month. So start with smaller jobs you're sure of. Continue with time, you will grow and you start charging higher. App number four is Appen. Appen is a global company that will work with major tech companies such as Google, Amazon, and Microsoft. Now, their job is to help you train their AI, and if you complete this task, you will be paid. You don't need any special skills. You just need to label images, transcribe short video clips, evaluate search results, or record your voices. Companies like Google pays Appen to have human voice and have humans work on their AI because AI needs human help to work properly, to function properly. Now go to CrowdGen.com. Appen has rebranded their platform, naming it CrowdGen, but it is still the same company. Sign up for a free account, complete your profile, check for available projects, apply, and once hired, carry out your task. Don't worry, it's usually an open book test. You can use AI to help yourself come up. Once you get paid, you will now cash out your earnings via Payoneer. Remember, Payoneer is giving you a foreign free bank account. Now, after cashing out, the earnings keeps coming up. You don't need to sleep on this. It is very, very realistic. A lot of Nigerians are making a lot of money from these sites. So it is as easy as ABC. Sign up, get the work done, and get paid. Creating a Payoneer account is not hard. At the end of this video, I will show you how to create a working Payoneer account. Now, you're sure of earning $5 to $15 per task on this platform, and the money is paid out immediately your customer receives the work you did. This is fantastic because you don't need any experience or any certificate to start up. You can start as I'm talking to you right now. Now, app number four is OneForma. Think of it as a cousin brother to Appen because it is another global platform that pays people to complete micro tasks for training AI, data collection, language projects, and yes, it works perfectly well for Nigerians. OneForma offers similar range of tasks as Appen, So you have them train their AI, you have them carry out linguistic projects, search engine evaluation, app testing, and other thousands of jobs there. So how do you get started? Go to OneForma's website and sign up for a free account. The account is free, you're not paying for any subscription. Complete your profile fully. This helps you to get a job that matches your skill. Check for available project there and apply. And once you complete your task, you get paid. Nobody is eating your money and you are not eating anybody's money. So follow these steps. You cash your money through Payoneer accounts. They pay you twice every month. They pay you on the 10th of every month and on the 25th of every month. So you don't have to delay. Start now. Stop procrastinating. Now you know that for Payoneer, you just transfer all your money to your Nigerian bank account, which is a big win for you. More earnings. Now let me quickly show you how to create a working Payoneer account here in Nigeria. It is free and they will give you a foreign US bank account so that you can easily start all any of these online jobs without thinking of how do I cash out my money. Once you have this Payoneer account, you have nothing to be scared of. Now, think of Payoneer as a bridge, a global company that helps you accept all your dollar or foreign earnings directly to your bank account because from that your Payoneer account, you can transfer all your money to your Nigerian bank account. So now go to Payoneer website, sign up for a free account. It is totally free. Provide your means of identification and your local bank account details. It usually takes 3 to 7 days for you to get approved. So once you get approved, you will receive a virtual US bank account number. On each of these platforms I mentioned, the ones that require Payoneer account, attach that your US bank account Payoneer gives you. And when you receive your payment, then you can easily transfer your money to your local bank account. So it's not a big deal. Within 30 minutes, you're done setting up your Payoneer account so that you can start any of all these online jobs. Now, are you subscribed to this channel? And let me know in the comment section which of these jobs are you taking right away. You don't need to start all of them at once. You can start with 2 or 3, depending on your time, even though they are not time consuming. Start, put in the effort. Do not take it for granted because they are free. Nigerians, we normally look down on free offers. They are free, but you need to put in the work, even though that the work is not time consuming. But if you're consistent, you're sure of making minimum of $50 and above every month. Yes, people are getting it. Yours will not be different. So start today, stop procrastinating, and let me know in the comment section any area you need help. I will be there to reply you answers. But make sure you have subscribed to this channel.